Raised the repair and need to reschedule? Continue watching to find out how via your MyGolding portal account. After you've logged into your account, scroll down the page to your Open Jobs section. Here you should see your most recent repair job listed. Click the Reschedule button. This will then pull up your next available time slots for you to choose from. Scroll down to select the preferred time slot. Here you'll then have the option to enter your reason for rescheduling. Then click the Reschedule button. Scroll back up and check that this has all been updated. And then that's it. Your appointment has been rescheduled.